Well, so does this mean that the Board of Selectmen is making an official request for documents, or?
I already made that.
As a board.
As a-
I mean, I'm talking to the
So-
Board of
No,
Selectmen,
I-
not to
the-
one
well,
member.
I just want to be
Clarification.
clear.
I was not
Okay.
involved, I had
Just want
nothing, I had no
clarification.
idea
We'll-
what you're talking about,
we'll-
never saw this until I
We'll
got
talk
a
about
letter
that.
in
And
correspondence.
we'll get back to you, all right?
Clarification.
Very good. Okay, thank you very much.
This sounds like a unilateral decision on the part of the chairman, as far as I'm concerned.
Okay, we'll talk about it. Thank you very much. All right, why don't we talk about this, so into it. What happened was this, you know, the exact date, contacted by Mr. Silverstein, asked to provide the Highway Department superintendent, I could attend, Mr. Moore attended, and for litigation, pending litigation. Now listen, if you're gonna talk over me, you can leave the room. You can leave the room, okay? One more comment, I'm telling you, any one of you, you're going. We'll stop the meeting, you're gonna go. Okay, I'm trying to explain to you. So with that request, I contacted Mr. Richmond to get a set of plans. We met at the site, and through the request of our insurance carrier, who's defending us in a case, several cases, whatever it may be, that we do this. And that's just what I did. I stood there for 8 hours with the town official, cones out, they did their thing, I observed, he observed. Things were taken, pictures were taken, this camera goes up and down the thing, and I'm not even sure if they completed that or not. But anyhow, that was it. At the end of the day, we all left. There was problems on the site, we had pictures taken, the police down there, it was a big to-do. But anyhow, that's how it went down. If you want Mr. McBride, you can call Jonathan Silverstein and
Well-
get that information, all right?
I will
Do
be
that.
certain to do
Well,
that.
absolutely.
But I think there should be written correspondence directing anybody to do anything in this town, and I've yet to see it in any of the correspondence that comes through my office or my desk for any of these meetings. So Dave, has any correspondence come down from Jonathan Silverstein or the town's insurance carrier directing us to do that?
As far as I know, the answer is no. However, I must
Thank you.
state as a caveat that I'm
Can I talk
behind
as
on
the
my
owner of that
emails.
subdivision?
Actually, it has nothing to do with you, Mr.
I own the subdivision that everybody's been
You
talking
don't own
about.
the subdivision. The town, that's an
Okay,
approved
okay.
road. Is that
Can I
approved road?
talk?
I don't want to get into.
Because I can explain exactly what happened, okay? I'm asking you to talk, Mr. McBride. You're a member of the Board of Selectmen. Can I talk?
No, first of all, it's up to.
I'm
the-
asking Mr.
You know,
McBride.
I'll tell you what, Mr. Ferrera, I'm gonna give you, but don't go
I'm
off.
gonna
You
tell-
want an
I am gonna
explanation?
say-
First of all, sit down, tell us what you're gonna explain.
I am going to tell you
We're
exactly
talking about
what happened.
Rocky Run.
Phase 1,
Which is already approved by
which,
the town,
that's correct,
That's
which there are no litigation lawsuits, anything with Rocky Run 1. None whatsoever. Jonathan
Okay.
Silverstein will tell you that.
That's the end of
The
the
reason
conversation.
we
The end of the
went
conversation.
there was
Listen.
because Chris Mora personally
Listen.
filed a complaint
Listen.
against my
Out of order,
engineer,
out of order.
and they had a hearing in Boston that Tuesday, and Mr. Mora had all of those plans that you requested for personal use.
That's-